Hi, this is Ashley Hubbard, diet and weight loss coach, and in today's video I will teach you diet plan to reduce belly fat. So if you want to lose some belly fat, please make sure you watch this video fully from beginning to end because I promise to help you reduce belly fat. And to achieve this goal, I will give you some top diet tips that I have in this video. Now before I get started, a very warm welcome to this diet plan to reduce belly fat video presentation. My name is Ashley Hubbard. That is me there in the center of the screen. I've been helping people to lose weight and get healthier for a number of years now. And I do that by always giving you valuable tips and advice that you can't find anywhere else. On that basis, please make sure you subscribe to the channel by clicking the red button below the video, because I don't want you to miss out on any of the tutorial videos that I upload. Please also make sure you give the video a like, because that tells me you enjoy the content and I will therefore spend more time creating it for you. Let's now get into the tutorial. Step number 1. Cut back on sugar-rich foods and sugar-sweetened beverages. I highly recommend that you cut down on eating foods with added sugars because they are bad for your health. Eating a lot of these types of foods can cause weight gain. In my research, studies show that added sugar has uniquely harmful effects on metabolic health, so please keep this in mind. Numerous studies that I have researched have indicated that excess sugar, mostly due to the large amounts of fructose, can lead to fat building up around your abdomen and liver. Sugar is half glucose and half fructose. When you eat a lot of added sugar, the liver gets overloaded with fructose and is forced to turn it into fat. So my advice is to reduce the amount of sugary foods that you eat. I recommend that you cut back on sugary foods from your diet because they can increase abdominal fat and liver fat, which leads to insulin resistance and various metabolic problems. Liquid sugar is actually worse in this regard. The brain doesn't seem to register liquid calories in the same way as solid calories, so when you drink sugar-sweetened beverages, you end up eating more total calories. In my research, a study observes that children were 60% more likely to develop obesity with each additional daily serving of sugar-sweetened beverages. My advice to you is to try minimizing the amount of sugar in your diet and consider completely eliminating sugary drinks. This includes sugar-sweetened beverages, sugary sodas, fruit juices, and various high-sugar sports drinks. I also strongly recommend that you read the labels to make sure products do not contain refined sugars. Even foods marketed as health foods can contain significant amounts of sugar. I want you to keep in mind that none of this applies to whole fruit, which is extremely healthy and have plenty of fibre that mitigates the negative effects of fructose. In my research, I also found that excess sugar consumption may be the primary driver of excess fat in the abdomen and the liver. This is particularly true of sugary beverages like soft drinks. So my advice to you is to try and swap sugar beverages for non-sugar varieties. Step number 2, eat more protein-rich foods. I strongly recommend that you begin to eat more protein-rich foods because protein may be the most important nutrient for healthy weight loss and better health. In my research, I have found that it can reduce food cravings by about 50%, boost the metabolism by 80 to 100 calories per day, and help you eat up to 435 less calories in a day. If you want to reduce belly fat and get healthier, by including more protein foods, this may be the single most effective change that you can make in your diet. Not only can protein help you to lose weight, but it may also help you to avoid regaining weight. So I highly suggest you try and eat protein each day. Protein is one of the key nutrients for reducing belly fat. Some studies that I have researched have shown that people who eat more and better protein had much less stomach fat. Another study indicated that protein was linked to a significantly reduced chance of abdominal fat gain over 5 years in women. This study also linked refined carbs and oils to more abdominal fat and linked fruit and vegetables to reduced fat. Many studies that I have researched have shown that protein helps with weight loss, and the people would be getting about 25 to 30% of their calories from protein. So my advice to you is to try and get about 30% of your daily calories from protein-rich foods. I highly recommend you include more protein foods in your diet, which you can do fairly easily. Some of the better protein foods that I know of include whole eggs, fish, legumes, nuts, meat and dairy products. These are some of the better protein sources that I suggest you eat more of as part of your diet plan. If you find it difficult getting enough protein in your diet, I recommend that you supplement your diet with a quality protein supplement, something like whey protein, which is a healthy and convenient way to boost your total intake. My advice is to look online because you can find plenty of protein powder options which will be suitable for you, or you can visit your local health food store. Eating plenty of protein can boost your metabolism and reduce hunger levels, making it a very effective way to lose weight and reduce belly fat. In my research, several studies suggest that protein is particularly effective against stomach fat. So I highly recommend that you start each day with a protein-rich breakfast to jumpstart your weight loss and give you a better chance of reducing belly fat. Can I please just take a moment and ask you something quick? Is this all making sense to you? Please let me know in the comments below. Step number 3, eat less carbohydrates. If you wish to reduce belly fat, I suggest that you reduce carbohydrates in your meals. The reason is because eating fewer carbs is a very effective way to lose fat. In my research, numerous studies have suggested that when people cut carbs, their appetite goes down and they lose weight. As part of my research, more than 20 randomized controlled studies have now shown that low-carb diets sometimes lead to 2 to 3 times more weight loss than low-fat diets. This also holds true even when people in the low-carb groups are allowed to eat as much as they want, while people in the low-fat groups are calorie restricted. Low-carb diets also lead to quick reductions in water weight, which gives people quicker results. My research shows that people often see a difference on the scale within 1 to 2 days. In my research, some studies which were comparing low-carb and low-fat diets indicate that low-carb eating specifically reduces fat in the abdomen and around the organs and the liver. This means that some of the fat lost on a low-carb diet is harmful abdominal fat. I suggest that you stay away from the refined carbs like sugar, candy and white bread. This should be sufficient, especially if you keep your protein intake high. If your goal is to lose weight fast, some people reduce their carb intake to 50 grams per day. This will put your body into ketosis, a state in which your body starts burning fats as its main fuel and the appetite is reduced. Low carb diets have many other health benefits, along with weight loss. For example, they can significantly improve health in people with type 2 diabetics. So my advice to you is to have a look at a low-carb diet as a way to reduce belly fat. As part of my research, some studies have shown that cutting carbs is particularly effective at getting rid of the fat in the belly area, around the organs and in the liver. So now, I would like to ask you a quick question. What video topic would you like to see in my next video? You can let me know in the comments below. Now, if you want a complete program for weight loss, I have a program that I highly recommend you have a look at. Click the link below the video and you'll be taken to a website. You can find the website link at the bottom of your screen now. On the website, you can get the keto diet for weight loss within minutes from now. This program has literally helped hundreds of people get better results in this area, and I would like you to get yourself on this program so that you can put yourself in a stronger and better position to help you get the results that you want. So it's definitely worth you taking the time to check it out. You can find out more about this program by clicking the link in the description box below this video. Thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. You can subscribe right now by clicking the big red button below this video. Can you please share this video with anyone you know who may find it helpful? Please connect with me on Facebook. You can find the Facebook link in the description below the video. Please do give the video a like, because if I see people liking the videos, I will create more for you. Thank you very much for watching and supporting the channel, and I wish you all the best on your weight loss journey. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.